This is 1 degree outside today on a Tuesday morning here. It's going to be another really nice day for a lot of us. It is cool again near the coastline. We really can't shake that until we change the overall pattern, right? The wind continues to come in off the ocean. Fire danger does boost a little bit today in western New England because the wind starts to pick up a little bit. And it's actually mild when you get away from the ocean. That contributes to it too, dries the air out a little bit more. We're still gaining 2.5 minutes of daylight per day, making progress. Pattern predictions came out last evening. I was a little bit late getting it out, but nonetheless, if you haven't seen it yet, check it out on our website, 1degreeoutside.com. Still posted on the home screen of our app as well. I look out through the first half of May, the next 14 days, and how things are shaping up. Just a reminder, you can get the 14-day forecast and some of these special weather statements that are coming out with fire danger and all that. You'll be alerted by it if you turn notifications on in our app, the 1 Degree Outside weather app on the App Store and Google Play. In terms of the chance of fire danger today, I shouldn't say chance of, it's there, right? What happens is you've got everything dried out from last year. Last year's dead brush. You don't have leaves on the trees yet for the most part, so you're not casting shade on the ground. The sun can dry it out more, and then you get the breeze picking up. So the Champlain Valley, western slopes of the Green Mountains, for a little while late this afternoon when you get across the Pioneer Valley, we get a little bit of a steady fire spread. Otherwise, with an onshore wind off the ocean, it actually adds just enough moisture to keep the relative humidity up, and that keeps the fire spread potential down just a bit. In terms of the school day, feels like forecast, another cool start, another morning where the kids may want the spring jacket. You may want the spring jacket, but you can do short sleeves later on in the day. It does stay dry across the board today, but here's the big difference depending on where you are. It's a cooler day even today than yesterday along the coastline. 50s, some of us like Provincetown may not get out of the 40s. Same thing when you get into Gloucester and you're sticking out into the ocean. The farther west you go, the warmer it gets. We're actually warmer than yesterday in the Pioneer Valley in western New England. Same type of difference when you come into central New England. Not as much seacoast real estate to work with here, but nonetheless, from Algonquin down to Hampton, we're stuck in the low to mid 50s, whereas inland, we climb to and above 70 degrees, and we do that same thing in northern Vermont at Stowe at 72 today, and that's why you get some of that higher fire spread across parts of northwestern New England. When you get along the coast of Maine, actually, not only are you cooler today, but you may find a few showers trying to sneak in tonight, mid-coast down east. Those are going to close in on the rest of us. There'll be showers from the west trying to close in on the rest of us. Mostly, we hold them off on Wednesday. The farther west you are near the New York state line, or the farther you are east in Maine, the better the chance that they'll be around. But a lot of us will be able to hold it off, and then it's Wednesday night, Thursday that they really fill in for most of us. Anyway, you'll see more on that in Insights. It will get posted up later today. Membership.onedegreeoutside.com. If you'd like to support the mission, we are an independent company. There are no investors. There's no corporate ownership. It's just you and us. And that's how it looks for now. Hope you have a great day.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the number 1 Degree Outside weather.